was cold out that day. I'd gone for a walk. My mother was having another of her episodes. And then I saw it. A bird in the snow. A baby bird. There was a small twig next to it, as though perhaps it had broken out of a tree. At first, it appeared dead. And then, as I lifted it, my breath on its feathers caused a shivering. I wanted to warm him, so I held him close to myself, and I didn't want him to be afraid, so I showed him that I, too, was a bird, by making a snow angel. This seemed to relieve him, but he still looked very pale. I must warm him up, but my mother was at home. I wouldn't use the elevator. I had a flashlight, and I used it to climb the utility stairs. And I set the bird down and went to the kitchen. The bird was quite active and moved around a great deal. I knew that I could turn the light on in one room only, my bedroom. And so I did. He seemed happy and moved around a great deal once he was warmer. And then he said to me, You want some worms? And so I went back outside. To find some worms. I dug them up on the front porch, out of the utility door. There were 5 worms, and I dug 7 more. With 7 worms, I ran back up the stairs. By this time, my poor friend was starving. I said, okay. And I broke out the eyedropper with some worm goo in it. He devoured it. And so I had to find something else. I broke into my mother's medicine cabinet and found a syringe. Broke the needle off, leaving it on the floor for her. Again, as fast as I could feed it to him, he gobbled it up. Everything I could find. I found tweezers and gave him worms. Oh, down, dozer. No, that is for the bird. That is for the bird. Dozer was always getting underfoot. Here, a spoonful of worms. Oh no! Dozer, get! Oh, sorry, bird. He won't get in the way again. Here's a French dip sandwich. Dozer, no! And then the bird spoke those awful words. And I had to give him a corn dog Dozer. Oh, Dozer, my dog! No! Quick! Does anybody have any offerings for him? What does the taco represent?
Time to eat.
Feed him! Feed him!
Here we go, dynamite! Like my Big Bang! Come on, Moose!
Yes, our environment! Feed him our environment!
Wait a minute, how about the hammer?
And the justice system! Feed it to him! Who's next?
Cheers!
It doesn't mean anything anymore! Speech! Down his throat! Who's next?
Education!
The education system! Eat up!
I'm thinking it won't eat it.
Much better at grabbing them! Who's next? The environment! Take that!
Allowing of reproductive rights.
Reproductive rights! Yes!
With that, we'll take choice.